In this video, I will show you how to create an eBay account. Simply open up Chrome or any web browser. Then in the search bar, search for eBay. Then click on this URL. In the top right corner, you will see this 3 lines menu bar. Click on it. Now to create an account, click on register. From here, type in your name, your last name, your email and a password. Or you can simply continue with Gmail. Choose your account. Then click on change if you want to change anything. Then click on create account. Now put in your phone number. Then click on continue. Then you will get a text message with a security code. After that, you can simply click on verify and copy the link. Then you can simply click on verify, then copy the code and paste it here. Then click on continue. After that, your eBay account will be created. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.